Welcome to TradingLounge and the SP 500, and I want to go over two counts here. We've been going over two counts and we need to keep going over them so we don't forget about them, but this is one count where we take wave 4 from here, which is logical in terms of an A and a B and a C wave here, and then looking for wave 1 up with an ABC for 2, and then the third wave is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for the third wave, and then back for the fourth wave and up for the fifth wave. Okay, so there is that scenario. The other scenario is that if I can just remove these here, the other scenario is that we have wave 2 there, wave 1 here, wave 4 is actually here this is an A and a B and a C and a D and an E wave here, with wave 1 here, wave 2 here, wave 3 here, wave 4 here, and wave 5 finishing into around here. We'll look at that in a moment, and having this finish here, and then we come down from this way. I mean, once this leg here is finished anyway, we will be coming down, but we'll either come down in that previous wave 4 and have one more wave up here, and then down, or we come down from here. So we'll look for short positions, but you know, we want to be clear that we've got you know, what we've actually got here. And we'll look at other stocks, and we'll look at the banking sector as well, and we'll look at to see what's influencing these markets, and look at their counts as well. But it's important to understand both of them. But today we're looking at from wave 4 to wave 5 here, and I'll just I won't need to save that. So I'll just go to the hourly chart, then the tick chart here, just so we can get some perspective on this. So we're looking at this particular top here being the third wave or the fifth wave here. Okay, I can just bring this up into here. Wave 4 never pulled back like we expected it to here, so I'll just clean these up here. We'll look at this in more detail on the actual tick chart, get that count right. Just bit of housework while we're here. So what we can do here is bring wave 4 into here and wave 5 up into this space here. There is actually 1 and 2 here, third wave here, so we've got from here we've got 1 and 2 here, third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave coming in. The fifth wave should be roughly the same as the first wave here, and that should bring us in on that top there. Okay, I'll just save that, and then we'll go into the tick chart and have a look. So if you were if you're looking for a target, then this is pretty much the target area to move out of here now. Okay, so we're looking for a little ABC here. This is really quite small and didn't pull back the way that I was expecting it to come back here further, but at the same time we would have talked about buying new highs here, so it was important that you know, buying new highs across this one or this one here, in conjunction with the trading levels classic pattern here, and this is just a variation of that. So what we can do here is we can just copy that as 1 and 2 into here, and just have a closer look at this for a second. So just have a closer look at this here. I think this has actually got, not that it matters too much, I can't draw here, I think it's actually got just a little bit I think there's a correction to come down here. I can't draw on that side. Little correction to come down here, then to complete this wave 3 to the upside here, so a little bit more height on that. And once again too, it's the same pattern that we're looking for. If we come across here a bit. So we've got this as 3 or 5 here. We just need to be so this pattern that's occurring at this level here, because basically if you get support on number 3, then you straight away look at 5. 4 will always give you a bit of, you know, it will show up, you know, but I've never found it really anything to worry about unless it's a medium level like $4, 400, those sorts of things. But this is the kind of thing here we're looking at here as well. So, but yeah, I mean, this wave 5 here shouldn't be too long. It should be pretty much the same as this length here. All right, I'll just leave it at that. You know, once this top comes in, we just have to look at what you know, what transgresses here. We need to identify it as being corrective or impulsive to the downside. So we'll need to see a little bit of the price action once we get there. Alrighty, cheers.